What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please subscribe to the channel, give us a thumbs up, hit that bell for notifications. That way you can stay up to date on all the videos I send out each and every day. Let's talk about when should you apply for credit while you're getting your credit repaired. Do not apply for anything whatsoever when you're getting your credit repaired. Simple fact, we're trying to repair your credit. Anything that you go out and try to get credit for is going to hit a hard inquiry and bring your credit score down. Now, we do offer some trade lines. When you're a member, we give our members trade lines that they can go out there and get that does not hit hard inquiries onto your credit report. And actually, it helps boost your credit. We have a couple of them. After that, after we're done restoring your credit, you got a couple of good trade lines, reporting history on there. We want to get to the big authorized user trade lines. And this is a thing we call piggybacking. I'm not going to get in depth on it right now, but you know, if you're a member of our club, you will get everything you need to know. You get the plan, everything to get you to that score that you want. We always try to like to get 720 or above. You get that, you get up to 720 or above. I mean, you get to go on anything that you want. And I'm talking about business loans, credit cards, store cards, you know, anything. I mean, you can get it approved, you know, with a score less than 720, you know, in the high sixes, but it's better to wait till you're up in the sevens. That way you get a good interest rate, you know, good cards. And we have a blueprint for all of this. But you do not want to go out there and apply for anything. Now, when should you apply? Now, here's our game plan right here. I'm just giving the secrets out, So once we're done restoring your credit, and you have some trade lines on there, what you want to do is we have a partnership with a company that lets us sell authorized user trade lines. And what that is somebody, it's called piggybacking. It's 100% legal. It's like, say your parent, let me just give you an example. Say your parent had a credit card and they put you on it. Well, when they put you on it, that reporting history for that card goes over to your credit report too. So basically what this is there's people out there with great credit, and they have these credit cards up to, you know, $20,000, $50,000, and the history can go all the way back to 1980s, 1990s, 2000s. And what they do is called an authorized user, and you pay for this line of you can't use the card, but you'll be put on the card for like 30 or 60 days. And that reporting history transfers over to your credit report. Now, you don't get in the card and you can't spend this, but it's called piggybacking. You can look it up on Google, it'll tell you. But what we're doing is we're trying to get that history put onto our credit reports. Now, once we do this, and you got a limited window of 30 to 60 days, it's going to show open. After that, it's going to show closed, but I mean, it's still going to be reporting on your card and still give you a good boost in your credit score. But the main thing we want right here is we want open. So that way, after you repair your credit, you got a trade line, and then you get the big trade lines with long history of reporting. Then you go out there and maybe say a Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, you get all the credit cards you want, get all the store credit cards you want, get all the credit that you need in that day or two. That way, you're not doing it one here, one there, and you're getting all these inquiries put onto your credit reports. You do it all over one day or a weekend. That way, whenever your credit's being pulled, the inquiries are not on there. Because when them inquiries hit, it brings down your credit score. And when you do this, all in one day. You get all the credit that you're wanting, all the credit that you need, and it's just a simple blueprint. It has worked for decades, and it still works to this day. A lot of people don't know about it. Just look it up on Google. Google knows everything. But all right, this is another video. See you on the next one. Any questions, please leave me a message. Find me on Facebook, facebook.com/IMLKing. Also, everything that we talk about, there will be links in the description below this video. All right, guys, I'll see you on the next one.